A new era in agriculture is unfolding, driven by vision, innovation, and record investment.
Gone are the days where agriculture is defined by machetes and donkey carts. Jamaica's agricultural landscape has now taken on a new shape, one that is chiseled by machines, technology, and unprecedented investment. With over $60 million injected into the sector, the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, and Mining is arming farmers with drones, compact tractors, seed planters, and harvesters, tools that once seemed out of reach for many smallholders.
We're not stopping there. 2 onion potato hybrid harvesters, 4 walk-behind seed planters, 1 rotavator, 6 motorized soil augers for the farmers in South Trelawney so that they can go up into those terrains and prepare the land to plant the best yam in the world.
From Yam Hill to coastal plains, technology is climbing every terrain. Under the Hills to Ocean project, tractors are being deployed across parishes, while innovation hubs like Bodos and the Top Mountain are receiving state-of-the-art harvesters and balers. But it doesn't stop there.
The National Irrigation Commission will be acquiring 2 backhoes, and we're looking to acquire 1 more amphibious excavator. The ministry has purchased a D6 bulldozer that we're going to be using to clean up our research stations, to support land preparation, and to establish trial plots.
Digital transformation is also on the horizon. A partnership with Paymaster will soon allow easier equipment rental payments. Meanwhile, the National Fisheries Authority, NFA, is expanding its presence with new offices, regional hubs, and fuel depots in Port Antonio and Falmouth. Even the mining sector is on board. The Reynolds Pier expansion, led by Jamaica Bauxite Mining, is part of a broader modernization effort, echoing across multiple sectors. A vital element of the ministry's strategy is cold storage, a game changer in reducing post-harvest losses and preserving produce quality. In Content Manchester, a $124 million 350 square meter facility is nearing completion and is expected to benefit 1,500 farmers. Nearby in Colleyville, 2,635 cubic meters of storage is being added to serve the Manchester South Trelawney belt. Clarendon is next in line. The Ebony Park Agri-Park will soon house a $165 million facility capable of storing up to 600,000 pounds of produce. But the crown jewel is rising in St. Elizabeth. One of the Caribbean's largest storage complexes is taking shape, offering 24,500 square feet of cold and ambient storage, plus puree processing and brining capacity.
Through the CARICOM New Zealand Boost Cold Storage Project, we're establishing renewable energy powered cold storage in Flagaman in Pedro Plains. And then, Madam Speaker, members, let us go to Essex Valley. Yes. Minister Whittam, we are establishing one of the largest agricultural storage facilities in the Caribbean. Yes. Dedicated cold storage, ambient storage, a puree processing area, and a brine preservation station. This facility is 24,000 square feet and will be able to hold 22 containers of food.
Even the Agricultural Marketing Corporation AMC complex is being reimagined to become a warehousing and agri-processing hub through a public-private partnership. This isn't just modernization for modernization's sake. It's about building a resilient, efficient, and food-secure Jamaica, one where farmers can depend on technology, infrastructure, and innovation to thrive.